Mentally, you have to let your ex go. The problem is, and the reason why you keep running back to your ex is because you haven't let your ex go mentally. You're still connected with your ex. You're still emotionally connected. There's a part of you that feels like you're not whole without your ex being there. Or there's a part of you that feels like your sense of self and your sense of self-esteem is improved when you're with your ex. So you tie a lot of how you feel about yourself as a person to being with your ex. You have to separate yourself from that. It's almost like a child being cut from them with the umbilical cord, from the mom. You have to cut that cord. You have to cut it because that's what makes you keep running back to your ex. And one of the best ways to do that is to develop an independent sense of self. Do things that you never really did with your ex. Activities that you never did with your ex. Do stuff that's new, that's fresh, that's exciting, that will help you learn new stuff about life, that will invigorate you, re-energize you. You've got to do stuff like that. It'll start making you start separating yourself from your ex mentally and emotionally.